If you're looking for a natural and effective way to support your weight loss efforts, apple cider vinegar may be just what you need. It is believed that apple cider vinegar can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve digestion, which in turn can aid in weight loss. While you can certainly buy apple cider vinegar at the store, it's actually quite easy to make your own at home. Step 1. Start by gathering your supplies. You'll need a large jar, such as a mason jar, a few apples, and some sugar. You'll also need a piece of cheesecloth or a coffee filter. Step 2. Wash the apples and chop them into small pieces. You can leave the skin on, but remove the seeds and stems. Put the apple pieces into the jar. Step 3. Add enough water to the jar to cover the apple pieces, leaving a few inches of space at the top. Stir in about 2 tablespoons of sugar. Step 4. Cover the jar with a piece of cheesecloth or a coffee filter and secure it with a rubber band. This will allow air to flow in and out of the jar, but prevent any dust or debris from getting in. Step 5. Place the jar in a warm, dark place, such as a pantry or cupboard. Leave it for about 2 weeks, stirring it every few days. Step 6. After 2 weeks, the liquid in the jar should have turned into vinegar. It will have a sour, tangy taste and a strong odor. Strain the liquid through the cheesecloth or coffee filter into a clean jar or bottle. Step 7. Your homemade apple cider vinegar is now ready to use. You can add a tablespoon or 2 to a glass of water and drink it before meals to aid in digestion and weight loss. Conclusion. Making apple cider vinegar at home is a simple and cost-effective way to support your weight loss goals. While the research on the efficacy of apple cider vinegar for weight loss is still ongoing, it has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various health issues. If you're looking for a natural way to supplement your diet and exercise routine, give apple cider vinegar a try. Like and subscribe the video for your healthy journey.